Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 6, praise an individual. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. So we can go there onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu. Click on all applications, scroll down to all apps. Now go all the way down to the bottom of the screen to all. Explore all your applications. Now go to Yammer. The purpose of this tutorial is to praise an individual that is working within your company, within your organization. So let's go to My Communities, go to All Company. Now let's go to share thoughts, ideas, or updates. Before we do that, let's just click on praise. And who do you want to praise? I want to praise myself, which is the main account. Let's say they have surpassed 2 million views on the YouTube channel. And let's click on praise. This has now been posted within the company. So if I were to minimize Chrome for the moment, now let's go down onto the dock, go to Safari. If I refresh the page from the main account, as I already have Yammer loaded up on screen, so let's scroll to the bottom, and the admin has posted that myself, I have surpassed 2 million YouTube views. So that's an incredible achievement. Let's now quit Safari. Let's now go down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome, quit Google Chrome. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.